Hi again, everybody. Wanted to show you the cardboard templates I made for the boiler wrapper, and they're basically going to be just as you see them. There'll be brass bands, 1, 2, 3 around those. As you may recall from when I showed this before, there are steel bands welded on to the boiler that will support the brass bands, and then the boiler jacket will go around that. I need to make the brass bands yet. The only thing here, this will actually be cut off where that dark line is. That'll give me a 1/4 inch below the running board that I can either tuck in underneath the running boards or flare out and screw down to the running boards as the prints seem to reflect. Excuse me. So that's the basic idea. As you can see, I've just marked the holes and cut them with scissors. I'll need to fine tune those a little bit, but you get the general idea. Just this way I can get the size and shape and rough location of the holes for the steel to go in. So next project, after I get the boiler jacket installed, I'll put at least the bottom half of the smoke box, I'll bolt that to the front of the boiler and be able to lift the entire boiler up here using my chain hoist, move this little table out of the way, and slide the chassis underneath it and go ahead and mount the boiler bolted into place, and then I can begin the piping operation and put in all the brass parts that I've been showing you all summer. So trying to get that done and looking forward to having this thing running. To that end, I did purchase off Discover Live Steam some arch bar trucks. These are kind of cool. They're not the Allen brand, which you make with the Allen ones. For the tender, you bend these out of steel yourself and fit, and drill and tap and bolt the actual bars together. These are solid aluminum castings with springs, and they do have bearings in them. I don't know what manufacturer that is. If anybody knows, please go ahead and comment. But I got them for a very reasonable price off of Discover Live Steam, and I'll be making, I guess, the final project when I get this thing going, a small car to carry a propane tank that will go behind my tender over there. Just want to make it a short enough tank so I can get it all on the loading bay where I plan to run the locomotive. So that's tonight's update. Thanks everybody for watching. I will keep you posted.